So this is US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Wednesday, so the 8th of November. Now let's have a look what happened with prices on the 7th of November. So I am just going to grab a pen, and as we can see, there's 7th of November. So we've had a strong move to the upside. We've come to this very, very, very strong level of resistance in around this 49th, well, 44, well, sorry, 114.30. So 114.30 on the US dollar Japanese yen is a very strong level, and we've seen the sell side momentum come back in. Had a bit of a reaction around 200 moving average, but we're seeing sell side momentum come into the market. So if we're not able to hold these most recent swing lows, and we're looking for price to come down to this very strong level in around 13.56 before we see a potential move all the way back up to test that 14.30. Now if we do, let's bear with me a second here. So the other potential targets now, we've mentioned if we do find support where we are, we'll be targeting 14.30. If we do break above 14.30, we're looking at 114.74. We'd expect that to be currently trading at 113.80. So it depends if we do get a catalyst which is strong enough, but I do expect in around this around 115 to 114.74 to be the far end of the range. If we do see a breakdown, we've recently, if we do see a breakdown to 13.56, we'll be looking for potential buy side trades. If we're not able to hold 13.56, we'll be looking for 113, where we've had these swing lows over here as well. So we're looking for 113 for a potential bounce, for a move to all the way up to this 13.56. So if we go down to 113, we're looking for a move back up to 113.56 if there does appear to be a change in momentum. So let's have a look at the let's have a look at the daily time frame, because it looks a lot better. The daily time frame looks it's a lot cleaner daily time frame than any other time frame. So hopefully I've not been mumbling. So here's the 114.30, which is acted as resistance on two separate occasions here, and we did see a lot of sell side momentum coming to the market. So we did come up, had a bit of a retracement back to 200 moving average, caught a bit, broke above these highs to test on 14.30. So we've seen some sell side momentum, immediately bought back up. I did think that was a sign that we would possibly go on to test at 14.74, which we did actually go on to test at 14.74 after retracing somewhat from this 114.30. So 114.30 is proving very problematic at present, but we have seen a brief trade above it on all the way up to the very next level at 14.74, but we weren't able to hold it there. So we could potentially have a short-term bias to the short side until we come into an area of support. We'll see an opportunity for buy side momentum. So this should I think, yep, that should be it actually, for because if we do go over to the weekly chart is pretty messy on the US dollar Japanese yen. So overall, the positive we can see here is the move down up. We've had a pullback and we've had a strong continuation. So overall, that should wrap up. Actually, that should wrap up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.